This 2027 Alliance RV Avenue, all-access 23 megaliters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features a white interior, sleeps 4, TV, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, leveling jacks, LP detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, oven. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Alliance RV Avenue, all-access 23 megaliters is 8,370 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.